guys! Good evening. We're currently on our way to the Cisco bus station in Cubao, QC with Diane and my parents. We booked an in-drive for a convenient trip, so come join us on tonight's journey. We're finally inside the bus, and most of our relatives are from my grandma's side of the family. We're a total of 23 people, so we pretty much filled up the bus. Thankfully, we arrived around 9:30 p.m. and since the trip was scheduled to leave at 10 p.m., we still had a 30-minute grace period before departure. It's currently 11:20 p.m. and we're now on our first stop. For reference, the bus fare from Cubao to San Fabian is around 470 to 500 pesos for regular passengers, while discounted fares for seniors, students, and PWDs are roughly 370 to 450 pesos. It was already 2:22 a.m. on April 25 when we finally arrived. That time, we were just waiting for Uncle Dixon to pick us up along with all of our luggage. After a long journey, it felt good knowing we were finally close to our destination. Once Uncle Dixon arrived, loaded our things, and then rode tricycles going to my grandfather's house, my Lolo Ostong's place. The tricycle fare was 300 pesos for 6 passengers, which came out to only 50 pesos per person. Not bad at all, especially considering it was already past 2 in the morning. Even though everyone was tired from the trip, there was a sense of excitement because we had finally made it. After hours of traveling, we were just happy to be there and ready to rest at Lola Ostong's house. We're finally here. We unloaded our luggage and brought everything inside Lola's house with the help of Radel and my dad. We're super tired from the long trip, so we're going to get some rest first. See you guys later. It's morning now and look who's already awake. It's Utoy, my cousin. Meanwhile, my aunt and some of my other cousins are still fast asleep. Hey guys and good morning. It's April 25 and we're here at San Fabian, Pangasinan. It's already 8:39 a.m. Nandito kami ngayon sa San Fabian, Pangasinan because magbabakasyon kami and we're invited kasi yung tito namin, bibinyagan yung anak niya. Kaya kami nandito. Mamaya i-house tour ko kayo since sobrang tagal ko na rin hindi dito nakapunta. Maaga sila mother nagising. Nandun sila sa labas. Nagchichikahan sila. Hindi pala ako nakapag-intro kagabi since malis kasi kami ng bahay around 8 something-ish ng gabi. Tapos dumating kami dito around 2 a.m. na. So, lahat kami ngayon ay bagsak pa. Umiyak si Yana kasi kakagising lang. Di ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan yung tour. Actually, sobrang lawak nito. Laki ng lote. Figurine ni Lolo, yung pahabang yan. Ito yung bahay. Guys, deadman yung muna yung mga natutulog. Ito yung sala. Ayan. And then, meron silang TV. Hey guys, ito yung first kwarto. Sila Lolo, tsaka Lola. Nagpapahinga dyan. Tapos ito yung second room. Dito kami natutulog. Tapos meron din dito nakahigaan. Since sobrang dami namin. Swimming na, Besh? Swimming na. Swimming tayo na. Let's go. Nang init na, no? Ito yung kusina. Air. Dining table. Literal na kusina lang, guys. May lutuan sila Lola. Ito yung mga antiques, mga ginagamit lang pag may bisita. Sorry, there you go. Paglabas mo, hi Tito, hi ka, tsaka si Junior. Daming manok, daming animals yun. Hello, Athena. Hi ka sa vlog.
Hi! Pangasinan, Tara?
Nagbe-breakfast na sila tita yung iba.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time.
Ito kami sa may ilog. Pero may nakita kami kasi dito, ang daming mangga sa lapag lang, hindi kinukuha. Tapos nagpaalam kami, pwede kaming kumuha ng mangga. Kuha ka, dali! Kaya mo? Si Mother at saka si Quincy, kumukuha sila ng mangga. It's mangga season, so dami. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute!
Ba't ang bait niya?
Nag-eat crush kami. Nagpaalam kami sa may-ari, kumuha ng madaming mango. Ang dami. Dali, hawakan mo to, dali. Ayan oh. Masarap yan, te, oh. Color yellow na yun dyan niya, oh. Kunin ko din to, dali. Oh, thank you for the mangoes. May bagong sila dun eh, sila Lola.
Hello guys! Andito kami sa barangay Paladpad. Sabi ng may-ari ng puno ng mangga, instead mamulot ng laglag, mamitas na lang daw kami. O, diba? Napakabait ng may-ari. Ikaw na pumitas. Kasi baka mamaya madagtaan ako masunog.
Kuha tayo ng mga mangga dito. Pakita mo yung mga mangga sa sahig. Sobrang dami, nalalaglag na lang. Para daw malaman kung bagong laglag yung mangga, may dagda pa siya. Papacheck natin kay mother if tama ako. Tama ba, ma?
Yes, nalalaglag lang yan.
As you can see, may dagda. Walan tayo dito kasi dadalhin natin to sa pagsiswimmingan. Ito? Ayan. Marami na kami nakuha eh. Bye guys! See you later sa aming pupuntahan.
Time you left early, something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind.
Sobrang init. Ang lala.
How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. Yeah, you think you know it all, and you're probably right by most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare. I know it's useless, I'm trying to stop, and I know that it's always gonna lead back to you. You said you
Guys, babalik na kami sa bahay since it's lunchtime and gutom na yung mga elders natin. Sasakaya kay Danica sa motor even though sobrang init. But yeah, look at my feet. Dito, hindi mo kaya? Bato po.
to do if I said I love you probably way too soon, like way too soon. Kinda mean and overbearing, kinda sweet but unawaring. Times are changing but you haven't since then.
Hi everyone, it's 6:14 p.m. and we're currently on our way to La Union. Come along with us as we explore Bani and Nagoo together. Right now, we're riding a tricycle and I'm with Aunt Deverly and my mom. We're heading there because my aunt is going to pick up her girlfriend and her child. I was actually surprised to find out that La Union is much closer to San Fabian than I thought. Anyway, we're finally here in Bani, also known as the Little Batanes of La Union. We stopped by to enjoy the sunset, admire the sea, and take some photos and videos. Place is free to visit, and you can even have a picnic or rent an affordable cottage while enjoying the beautiful scenery. After that, we headed to Agoo, La Union, and by then, night had already fallen. But that's okay because we really enjoyed our time in Bani, even though our visit was a bit short. The place was beautiful and we definitely plan on coming back someday. We're finally here and we're just waiting outside their house for now.
Hi ka ma. Hi ka ma sa baba.
Say hi to everyone and meet Athena. We stopped by the market to buy a pair of sleepers for Tina. Let's see if we can find the perfect pair for her. We found it. The sleepers fit perfectly. We saw the beautiful Agoo Basilica, so mom and I stopped to take a photo. Before heading home, we made a quick stop at the Pasalubong store to buy some dried fish, vinegar, and vegan longganisa. We're finally back home. To end the day, Dom and I enjoyed the videoke and sang our favorite songs and had a great time before calling it a night.
Hi
Hi
guys!
guys!
Magandang gabi po.
Anong oras na?
8:55.
Anong ginagawa natin dito sa labas?
Nagre-relax.
Sarap
Sila
naman.
naglalaro.
Naglalaro
Marami pa
sila.
silang energy.
Kwento mo yung ginawa natin kanina.
Pumunta kasi kaming ilaw.
Well,
Nag-swimming kami. Swimming po kami sa And bukas guys, pupunta kami sa dagat. Yes. My name is Athena Chinel. Welcome to my vlog. And huwag niyong kalimutan subscribe and share and comment. Comment kung anong gusto nyo comment. Basta maganda. Hello guys. Pwede kayo subscribe. Ano? Nakatulog po kami sa bus. Tama. At nakaihi ako. Uy, bawal yun sa bus. Nakaihi ako doon sa CR. Na-park pa yung bus. Kala ka sa may bus eh. Alam mo, walang CR doon. Kami muna yung mag-vlog kasi andyan sa Ate Jewel. My name is Robbie Dayan. Tingnan natin yung baboy. Sorry guys, dahil madilim. Ililagyan mong ilaw. Oink, oink. Patingin mo yung baboy. May lights naman dyan eh. Kakatayin agad yung baboy. Si Ate Jim, nakipagkwento pa. Kanta po kami guys. Anong kakantahin natin? Kakantahin namin. Ikaw na. Bahay kubo. Hindi, basta kanta. Anong kanta? Saksi. Halika sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin. Habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo, wala na kong ibang mahihiling. Sandali na lang, maaari bang pagbigyan? Aalis na nga. Maaari ba mawagan? Tangawakan mo muna. Ako magbibideo. Hi guys!
Guys, and good morning. Nakatapos ko lang mag-run kasama kasi Danica tumakbo. And ngayon nasa bahay na kami. Magliligo na ako kasi ang init. Anyways guys, I'll see you later. So mag-aayos kami. Since ngayon yung binyag ni Dominic. Early in the morning. Honda go na pala yan. Yeah, good morning. Ano good morning sa'yo? Ang palang ganti na inibag yung gabi. Sorry, hindi kami. Umaga din. Hindi kami lokal. We're not native speaker. Yeah.
Hello guys! Auntie, anong tawag sa Pangasinan nito?
Baon nga.
Baong! Baog! Baog! Sabi naman sa Ibanag, alibabag. Sa Tagalog,
Alukon. Kami dito sa tatas.
napakababa lang, no?
Sana maulog pa kayo dyan. Libre. Manawa ka pa.
It's already 9:55 a.m. We're now on our way to San Fabian Church. We took my grandpa's car to get there. By the way, I'm with Danica, Aunt Dev, her girlfriend, my parents, Tina, and Philip. At that time, there was still an ongoing wedding at the church, which I found quite different from what I'm used to in Manila. Since it was Sunday, we joined the congregation for Mass while waiting. The wedding ceremony ended at around 11 a.m. and right after that, the christening ceremony began. I was amazed by how many families were having their children baptized that day, to the point that the church was completely filled. It was nice to see so many people gathered together for such a meaningful occasion. Right after that, we headed to the grocery store and stopped by Goldilocks to buy cakes. One for Dominic's christening and another for Tito Dixon's celebration as well. When we arrived, we were surprised by the huge crowd. Felt just like a fiesta. We also sang a happy birthday song for Tito Dixon since it was his birthday a few weeks ago. Then the kids performed randomly. That afternoon, someone suggested going to the beach, so we all decided to head there. We were joined by some of the kids and a few adults, while the others stayed behind for drinks and karaoke. My parents and grandparents had already gone home by then, so it was just us. We spent the afternoon soaking in the water, enjoying the gentle waves and the beautiful sunset. We also played in the sand with the kids, making the most of the simple and peaceful moment by the sea.
Gonna take it slow. When I'm
Nandito pala kami sa Lamesa Eco Park. We're here at Mountain Farm and Resort.
What's the name? Welcome to Prospero.
It's Prospero Milagros Farm and Resort. In fairness, ang ganda dito kasi ang daming puno.
I love San Fabian.
Yes! Naiwan ko yung tumbler ko sa taas. Ang hingal lang dito is, ang daming hagdan.
After lunch, we took a quick swim. Later, Tito Dixon invited us to visit the three mountains to enjoy the beautiful view, and we gladly went along. As you can see, the road going there was quite steep and uphill. Thankfully, Tito Dixon is a skilled driver, so we safely made it to our destination. We're finally here and making our way up the mountain for the view. Tito stayed behind by the tricycle, so it's just us tackling the climb.
Umakyat pa kami. Hindi kami naiwan. May hiking pala na nagagawin.
Ah, ito, maganda to sa gabi.
Anyways, hingal siya, besh.
Di ba mag-slide na lang pababa?
Kaya ba, be?
This is what the trail looks like. And look at the view. It's actually really beautiful. By the way, I'd recommend coming here when it's not too hot. Finally, we're done and heading back to the resort. This is what the struggle going downhill looked like. Anyway, we're on our way back to Manila. Thanks for coming along with us.